Hello and welcome everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to see that beautiful smile on your face every time we meet at eClub, your spot for practical and powerful English learning. If you've been following our vocabulary challenge series, you know we take everyday words and give them an upgrade so you can express yourself with more style and confidence. Today's episode 4 is packed with 16 fresh words and their sophisticated synonyms. So, grab a notebook because these are words you'll want to remember. Let's start with help. It's friendly and casual. But if you want to sound a little more professional, try assist. For example, can you assist me with this report? See, same meaning, just a touch more formal. Begin. Commence. And once someone assists you, maybe you're ready to start, or should I say, commence your task. The ceremony will commence at noon. Feels more official than begin. Of course, if something begins, it also ends. But in formal context, we conclude. We'll conclude our meeting with a question-answer round. Sounds smooth and organized. Now, let's switch gears to describing people. Someone with a lot of money isn't just rich, they might be wealthy. Wealthy carries a more refined tone. The wealthy businessman donated generously to the community hospital. On the flip side, someone who has very little might be called poor. But destitute paints a much stronger picture, meaning they lack even the basics. After the storm, many families were left destitute and in need of shelter. Moving from money to temperature. Hot is one thing, but scorching means it's so hot it almost burns. It was a scorching afternoon in July. And the opposite, cold. But if it's extremely cold, you call it frigid. The lake water was frigid even in summer. Now, here's a nice emotional shift. We all say we love something, but adore adds extra passion. I adore early morning walks by the sea. And where there's love, there's sometimes hate. But despise is even stronger. I despise dishonesty. Feels much more intense. Switching to competition. You don't just win, you prevail. Despite the challenges, our team prevailed in the final match. And if you don't prevail, you might lose. Or worse, forfeit. Which means you lost because of breaking a rule or making a mistake. The player had to forfeit the match due to an injury. Now, for something a little more practical. Need. In formal writing or speech, require sounds stronger. This project requires teamwork. When you tell someone something important, you could also inform, especially in business or official situations. Please inform the team about the schedule change before noon. Artists don't just show their work, they exhibit it. It instantly makes it sound more professional and refined. The museum will exhibit rare paintings from the 18th century. And if there's something you don't want to show, you might hide it or even conceal it. The magician concealed the card in his sleeve. Finally, one you probably hear in shops. Instead of buy, say purchase. I purchased a new phone yesterday. Sounds a bit more formal. And that's our episode 4. 16 new powerful synonyms to keep your vocabulary fresh and dynamic. Before you go, remember to like, share and subscribe. Your continued support helps us in this wonderful journey of learning together. Also, follow eClub on our social media channels for more tips, fun challenges and discussions you can be a part of. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in episode 5 of our vocabulary challenge.